Hello everyone, this is Rushikesh Bankar, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. Today we will start the topic Introduction to FPGA. Before start our today's lecture, first of all, we will go to learn the learning outcomes. So you will able to learn about the FPGA, then you will able to know the taxonomy of FPGA, then you will able to know the advantages of FPGA, and you will able to know the applications of FPGA. So these are the learning outcomes of our today's lecture. So FPGA, so FPGA stands for Field Programmable Gate Array. तो FPGA का लॉन्ग फॉर्म है Field Programmable Gate Array. So a Field Programmable Gate Array, that is FPGA, is a programmable logic device, that is PLD, with higher densities and capable of implementing the different functions in a short period of time. तो जो FPGA है ये एक PLD है, that is Programmable Logic Device है. कैसा है वो? विथ हायर डेंसिटीज वाला है. और क्या कैपेबल करता है वो? टू इम्प्लीमेंट द डिफरेंट फंक्शंस इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. देन 2D array of logic blocks and flip flops with electrically programmable interconnections. तो उसमें 2D array of logic blocks होता है और flip flops होता है जो इलेक्ट्रिकली इंटरकनेक्टेड होता है. देन द यूजर कैन कॉन्फ़िगर intersections between the logic blocks and द फंक्शन ऑफ ईच ब्लॉक. तो जो यूज़र है वो कॉन्फ़िगर कर सकता है इंटरकनेक्शन बिटवीन द लॉजिक ब्लॉक्स एंड द फंक्शंस ऑफ ईच ब्लॉक. So this is all about the FPGA. Now there are two primary FPGA architectures, fine grained and coarse grained. And another difference in architectures is the underlying technology used to manufacture the device. The common technologies are PROM, then EPROM, EEPROM, flash based, anti-fuse based, and SRAM based. So historically, the FPGA architectures and companies began around the same time as CPLDs. तो जब CPLDs कंपनी में आने लगे तभी FPGA architectures भी स्टार्ट होना शुरू हो गया. FPGAs are closer to programmable ASICs. Then large emphasis on interconnection routing. The timing is difficult to predict, that is multiple hops versus the fixed delay of a CPLD's weak matrix, but more scalable to large sizes. Then the FPGA programmable logic blocks have only a few inputs and one or two flip-flops, but there are a lot more of them compared to the number of macro cells in a CPLD. In the taxonomy of FPGA, so this is the taxonomy of FPGA. FPGA is classified into three types, that is SRAM programmed. Then this SRAM program is again classified into two, that is Iceland and cellular. Then second type is anti-fuse programmed channeled, and third is EEPROM programmed array. So this is the taxonomy of FPGA. तो FPGA के तीन टाइप्स हो गए, फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड. और इसमें जो SRAM प्रोग्राम है उसके अगेन टू टाइप्स है, ईस्टलैंड एंड सेलुलर. FPGA और ASIC क्रॉसओवर चेंजेस. तो इसमें देखो इसी एक्स एक्सिस पे क्या प्रोडक्शन वॉल्यूम है और वाई एक्सिस पे है कॉस्ट. तो देखो FPGA कॉस्ट, जैसे जैसे FPGA का प्रोडक्शन वॉल्यूम बढ़ते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे उसकी कॉस्ट भी बढ़ती जा रही है, बराबर है. दिस रेड line, this red line again. So this is the FPGA or ASIC crossover changes. Now the advantages of FPGA. अभी FPGA की advantages देखेंगे. So the FPGA is one of the most popular logic circuit components and has revolutionized the way digital systems are designed. So some FPGA advantages include low cost, then high density, then high speed, then it is flexible, then it can be reusable, then the large amounts of logic kits, registers, RAM and routing resources, then again quick time to market, and SRAM FPGA provide the benefits of custom CMOS. Now the applications of FPGA. So the FPGAs are used in aerospace and defense, then in medical electronics, in digital television, consumer electronics, industrial motor control and scientific instruments. तो ये हमारी FPGA की applications है. Then PO mapping, that is program outcomes. तो आज के लेक्चर में जो जो टॉपिक्स कवर किए वो टॉपिक्स को हमारा PO1, PO3, PO6 और PO7 मैप होता है. सो थैंक यू.